Good afternoon, everyone. This is Henry, and as we get into tonight's video and newsletter, I wanted to take a look at Tesla. That's where we'll start our analysis, and a chart that really had some phenomenal performance today. So earnings can do that, and with the stock really showing great volume, I think you've got the potential for continuation. Now, duration or your time horizon is the big part of our next question. So into tomorrow, I actually think there's a chance that we will test this 264. So that's one of the targets that I'm looking for. But then as you get into further dated expirations, I think we have a lot of reason to start looking for a $300 butterfly. Now you could do it through a $300 call debit spread as well, but the butterfly will really allow for the passage of time. So if it does have to pull back a little bit, or maybe it just consolidates while it waits for these moving averages to catch up to price, the butterfly is going to fare a lot better than a directional call or a vertical would. But I like bringing this to you because you can see that we have a very clear swing high, a very clear swing low, and with those 2 points established, we can run our Fibonacci extensions. This 1618 extension lands you just shy of 300. So anytime you have a technical reason to be looking to a psychological target, it just tends to make it a little bit cleaner setup. So again, I like it for tomorrow. I like it into the foreseeable future, and I think those are a couple of strategies you can use. And then I also wanted to take a quick recap from the video we discussed on Monday. So Monday in this same venue, I was showing you that Microsoft right here had some potential because of the 130-minute squeeze, and Tuesday was an awesome session. So there was some day trading in that to be had. Then you'll notice from that swing high to your swing low, right at the 618 retracement is where it failed. So worth running those retracements and being aware of those levels. I think that Microsoft still has 430 in it before earnings are released, possibly 435. And I'd like to see that these squeezes right here, these are the signals that got us into it. I'd like to see that those histograms remain bullish, and that may give you a few more things to buy as we get into next week. So I hope you find the review and the levels helpful. Have a great rest of your evening, and I hope to see you in the chat room tomorrow. Hey traders, this is Henry with simplertrading.com. I wanted to thank you for watching today's video. I hope you found it helpful. And if so, be sure to click the like and subscribe buttons down below. If you would like to also see me putting these ideas into action and trading my own account live in front of you, be sure to sign up at simplertrading.com, and I hope to see you in the chat room sometime soon.